All right, well, here is my surprise. I just bought a 98 Grand Cherokee. All right. So this isn't my Jeep. Well, I mean, technically, yes, it is my Jeep, but you guys can already see this isn't my Jeep. This is my new to me 98 5.2 V8 all-wheel drive transfer case Grand Cherokee. As you guys do know, I've been on a little journey of buying and selling cars. This one popped up for a really good deal. I've been making a little bit more money. I've been trying to think, do I want to go with something more expensive or go with just good deals? I almost bought 3 cars that were slightly expensive, but they can make me a little bit of money, but I decided not to, and I'm glad I waited for this. This thing is mint, no rust. Like I said, 5.2. I think it's Super 44 Flowmaster. The weird thing is it has 3 inches of lift in the back, 5.5 up front. I don't know why it's set up like that. It has a little bit of a California lean going on to it. New headlights. Interior is, I'll show you guys this. This is nice. Just spotless. Super spotless. Hey, look at that. It did come with a little sub. Nothing crazy like I'm used to, but it does beat a little bit, so can't be too mad at that. But yeah, this is my newest purchase. I kind of want to have this one a little longer than the rest just because it's nice, but at the same time I don't want to be driving it to mess it up. But you never know, maybe this one might hang around for a little bit. But here it is. And oh yeah, let's look at this. There's nothing in there. There's a reason why. I always wanted one of these for mine. A little cup holder insert. Yeah, it was in the other Jeep. And I always wanted one for this. So I got my cup holder insert. And for anybody who's wondering, hell no. This ain't going nowhere. Not at all. Like, you think of me, you think of this. I will never get rid of this. Alright, just got off of work. I did drive the 5.2. It drove good. I think the track bar needs to be moved over. One of the ways, they put a 2-inch puck on top of it, and when you do that, it lifts it up, it pushes the axle out. So I need to do a few things with that. It does need to, I'm pretty sure it needs a fuel pump. When you go to start it, you have to turn the key once, let it prime, back, do it again, and then it'll start. So I think it needs a fuel pump. But I just brought mine out just for a little size comparison. I've had 2, this is my 3rd one, but they were both stock when I compared them. So here's a comparison of just a 5-inch lift up front, 3 in the back, versus 5 inches of lift, but on 38s, cut trim fenders. Yeah, it's a big difference. I'll show more of this once I start messing with it. So I was gonna give you guys a walk around on the Jeep. I mean, I still can, but it already sold. I only had it for 2 days, maybe. Yeah, 2 days, and I posted it on my Facebook and Instagram, and my uncle wanted it. He's been looking for a Jeep so we can go out together and wheel together. He's not going to be doing the crazy stuff that I'm doing, but he did buy it. So this is going to be his new daily. There are some things I want to do to it, like put a 231 in it, because the full-time all-wheel drive kind of sucks. And he's going to be dailying it, so better fuel economy with the 231. And just small things. I think the Jeep needs a fuel pump in the future, and then the AC controls. It needs new controls because it doesn't switch to the right setting when you switch it. But yeah, it's gone. I'm at a stoplight here so I can show you. Just really clean interior, spotless. Kind of makes me a little jealous. The roof is nice. No holes in it, no sagging. It's just super clean. It comes with 2 tins in the back, this Bluetooth radio. The tins are wired wrong, so I pulled the radio off. But besides that, everything is good. Comes with an alarm, 5 inches of lift up front, 3 in back. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna level it out to just 3 for my uncle. I'm gonna be doing most of the work on this Jeep, so you will see it around. But let me get home because I am working right now. Part of my job is going out and talking to people, but I'm gonna just do that with my truck and trailer because I gotta deliver this tonight. So I'll see you when I get home. Well, I had a long day at work, but now I'm on my way to drop the Jeep off. And like I said, you guys will continue to see it. It just won't be my Jeep anymore. But you guys will see it on my channel. And once I do the mods that I want to do to it, because I'm still kind of modding it my way, you guys will see it out and see how it performs. But yeah, I'm almost here, and I'll show you guys who bought it. Well, my uncle bought the Jeep. Oh, they live right here? Oh. Well, my uncle bought it. You excited about your new Jeep?
Oh, heck yeah, I'm excited about it. I've been waiting on this for a long time.
Yeah, see, so we're about to get him out in the Jeep. We're about to work on it, and I'll let you guys know how it goes.